Listen, this video is about these Amazon Echo frames. Bro, gotta check them out. Watch the video coming out. In the meantime, just vibe to this. Amazon Echo frames. This is the box it comes in. It is very smooth, pretty hefty box, and we got what's included: a pair of Echo frames with non-corrective lenses, meaning you have to, if you want to correct your vision, you have to go to an optician or eyeglass store. Has a carrying case, a cleaning cloth, power adapter, cable. The sides and the back, underneath. Overall, pretty nice design box. Got your little Amazon logo smile on the front, and the inside is blue. Reminds me of the Steam controller box. And this right here is the premium feel box that it comes in. It's nice and smooth with the logo, but it has the rubbery texture to it. Reminds me of the Razer box, the Razer phone box. I pre-cut the tape on the front so we can get this done. I also went ahead and put my lenses in the glasses before, but these are them, the nice gloss finish glasses. You can see on the temples or legs that you has the speakers that it comes with, so it's a little bulky and chunky on the sides. It comes with these acrylic lenses, but I went ahead and put my own lenses inside the frame, since I was an optician before. Well, inside we got this white base for it where the frame's laid on. It's a smooth, kind of the same texture as the front side, outside of the box, but more carton feel to it. Here's our instructions. If I can get it out of here. Hold on. Wait, nope. I think I got it now. Alright, so what do we got here? Follow these 3 steps, how to set it up. You take this little pamphlet to your optician or your eye doctor to get your prescription filled. It's basically instructions for them how to adjust the frames and also make them fit to your face, basically. So you just give these instructions. Basically it tells them not to heat up the front side of the frame, and it's just pop in the lenses, and also the only part you heat up is the temples, the wrap around your ears. Here we got your user guide, a little smiley face, pictures of the frame and the buttons and their functions. We got your connectivity, volume control, volume rockers, and on and off the mic, and also pairing with your phone. So hopefully you guys can see that. Status light colors. So on the back side you can see a status light. You got active light, you got your battery low lights, and your power lights. So when you get them, you want to try them on, make sure they fit correctly and you got the right size for them. Even though on the website it gives you an idea, but still. And then some other mumbo jumbo stuff. Even the instructions have a nice feel to them. Well, this is the case here. It is a nice premium leather-like case. It's a hard case, very sturdy, which is really good because it'll protect your eyewear that you pay for, just like a expensive sunglass case that you would buy. It comes with a microfiber cloth, which is very nice, premium feel to it also. Of course, everything has the Amazon Smile logo on it, so it looks pretty cool. They really did a good job in the presentation of the product itself, which is something I liked. Here we got your charging cable, which is braided, and also we have your power brick adapter, which if you have a Kindle Fire, it's basically the same thing. So if you lose it, if you have a Kindle Fire, it's still the little Amazon brick, USB brick. Inside is nice and felt-like texture, and that way your lenses won't get scratched up. But like I said, it's a very sturdy case. If you like this unboxing, give that like a smash and a subscribe and click that notification bell. So now let's talk about these Echo frames and their functionality and how they look. So they're like a shiny black frame, very nice overall, very elegant looking, except for the bulkiness where the speakers, obviously, all the technology is at, is where you find all that bulkiness in the frame. If you don't mind that, then you know it's all about aesthetics for some people. Here we have the magnetic charger, so it just clips on automatically. It hangs on pretty good. Just don't knock it over if you have it on the table or something, because it would disconnect. I mean, it's pretty decent to clip on pretty quick. On the inside of the temple, you got the Echo Frames signature on there and some technical FCC info and the model number GR7879BR. A little QR code. On the top side and the bottom side on both temples, we got your speakers, which are, decent enough. You can block out everybody while you're listening to your favorite music through Alexa or Google Play Music or whatever type of music service you have. You link it with your Echo Frames as a Bluetooth device. Front side, you can see how thin it is. Again, it's very shiny. If you're into that, then definitely has it. The bezel inside is pretty thin also. I have a pretty high prescription, high plus, so I need to wear plastic frames, and I have high index lenses, so it'll be thinner and lighter along with the frame. And here's my lenses. I have them amber color tint with some AR, and of course they're high index, so that get that thinness to them. And here's how you would insert your lenses. Place your 3 corners in, your bottom corner, top corner, and the nasal side corner, and then you just roll the lens in pretty easy. That's called cold insert. That means you won't heat up the frame, so you can insert the frame. So that's what the opticians will do for you when they make your lenses, and your doctor gives them your prescription for your eye correction, vision correction. And here we just pop them in, make sure they secure. good. Clean them off with your microfiber cloth, make it nice and clear. You can see everything looks pleasing. They don't close all the way, but this is the important part right here where the tortoise temple is. That's the only part where the optician would have to heat up. Here it goes again on the left side. So you see that little metal ring from that point on to the tip. It's very sturdy, so they do have to heat it up to conform to the shape of your ear. And that is the only part they supposed to heat up to adjust to your fit of your face and your ears. Well, this wraps it up for now. These frames were $179 on Amazon.com, and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing and also the review of the Echo frames by Amazon.